So right now we have our base. Let's create the container. So what are we going to do is, first, since we know our base height will be 3 for now, okay, what I need to do is I need to increase this base height, okay, and then I'm going to cut a hole in between, at the center of it, okay. So let's align both together back again. Okay, now, so to increase the height, how much are we going to increase? We are going to make it to 6 millimeter. No, sorry. Since the original base will be 3, and then the shape of this one will be 5, 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So let's just round it up to 10 then. Okay, so this one, the base, round it up to 10 millimeters. Wait. Okay, now what I want to do is this one, I'm going to duplicate one more, move it aside, make it to a hole. Okay, this one will be slightly smaller than this one. So how much smaller? Let us see. So this one is 125, okay, and our gear is 115. So let's just make this hole, okay, to 120. All the value that I'm saying is for the length, okay, this one. So let's decrease it together and make this to 120. Okay, now what are we going to do is to set the height for this hole. Okay, so this one is 10 millimeter minus by 3 millimeter for the base, so it will be 7. So this one, change this to 7. Align both of these together. So you can click on the align, also can, but since I don't want to move the original solid model, so I'm just going to click on it and click on align. Okay, so vertical wise, go to the center. Okay, horizontal wise, go to the center too. As for the X, go to the top. I mean the Z, sorry. As for the Z, go to the top. Okay, now let's group these two objects together. Woohoo! Nice one. So we will have a hole at the center. So right now, what are we going to do is, I'm going to change the height, I mean the placement for this one. So let's increase this one by 4 millimeter. This value here, or this one you can see, by 4 millimeter. And that's basically all. Although later we are going to print it separately, but right now let's just put this there. Okay, and that's basically all for our container.